Here are some character names for the Enchanted Library. Alex Morgan, the 14-year-old protagonist, an avid reader and aspiring writer. Aurelia, the ancient, talking book that guides Alex through his adventures. Alora, a wise and kind-hearted librarian who once worked in the library and now exists as a spirit to aid Alex. Finn, a mischievous, adventurous boy from another realm who becomes Alex's loyal friend and ally. Luna, a brave and resourceful girl from an enchanted forest world, skilled in archery and herb lore. Thaddeus, a recursive and knowledgeable wizard who helps Alex understand the magic of the library. Eldrick, the main antagonist, a dark sorcerer seeking to control the power of the library for his own gain. Nyx, a mysterious, shape-shifting creature who serves as Eldrick's spy but a hidden agenda. Sylvia, a gentle and wise elder from the underwater kingdom who provides crucial guidance to Alex. Kale, a fierce warrior from a floating island realm, initially distrustful but becomes a staunch ally. In a small, forgotten town nestled between rolling hills, there stood an ancient library, its grand doors sealed shut for centuries. One stormy evening, 14-year-old Alex, an avid reader and aspiring writer, discovered a mysterious key in the attic of his new home. Intrigued by the key's intricate design and the strange symbols engraved on it, Alex embarked on a journey to uncover its origins. Drawn by an irresistible force, Alex found himself standing before the old library, the key fitting perfectly into the lock. As the door creaked open, he was greeted by rows of books that seemed to whisper secrets from ages past. Among the dusty tomes, he discovered a hidden section filled with books of magic and adventure. Guided by ancient, talking book named Aurelia, Alex learned that the library was enchanted, and only those pure of heart could unlock its secrets. Aurelia revealed that the library was a gateway to other worlds, each book a portal to a different realm. However, a dark force threatened these worlds, and it was up to restore balance, embarking on quests through enchanted forests, underwater kingdoms, and floating islands. Alex faced mythical creatures, solved ancient riddles, and formed alliances with unlikely heroes. Along the way, he discovered hidden strengths and the true power of storytelling. As the final battle loomed, Alex realized that the key to saving the worlds lay not in magic, but in the courage, friendship, and creativity that books had always inspired in him. With Aurelia's guidance and the help of his newfound friends, Alex confronted the darkness and brought light back to the enchanted realms. Returning to his own world, Alex was forever changed. He had not only saved countless worlds, but also found his voice as a writer. The library doors closed behind him, waiting for the next worthy soul to uncover its secrets. Alex knew that his adventures were far from over, as every book held a new story waiting to be told. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe.